Okay guys, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to solve two simultaneous equations using substitution. So the ones we're going to use are 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. And the second one is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now I've also done this on another video using the process of elimination. Now you can use either method that you like. Sometimes it's easier to use substitution, sometimes it's easier to use elimination. So what we do here, again, as we did before, is we label 1 and 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of these equations and I'm going to rearrange it so that it's either of the form x is equal to or y is equal to. Now I'm going to choose equation 2 because I have x minus 2y is equal to 4 there. And it's going to be very, very straightforward to actually rearrange this so it's x is equal to. It's not going to take too much work. So if I do that, what I'm going to get here is x now is equal to, I've got to take the 2y across, so it's 4 plus 2y. And I now have it, that I have an x in terms of y. Now I used equation 2 there, guys. So what I need to do is I need to sub this, or substitute I should say, this into equation 1. Okay, so I'm going to sub this expression here, wherever I see an x in this equation here. So let's sort that out. Let's get that done. And what we have then is I have 3, and my x, which is the substitution that's going in because it's an x, is 4 plus 2y. So what I've done is I've, again, just to make this very clear, I've replaced this x here with this expression here in terms of y. And I have plus 4y is equal to 2. Now what you can see here is what's happened is that I now only have one variable in this equation. And if I only have one variable in an equation, then I can solve it. So what we now need to do is just use our normal math laws in order to solve this equation. So I have a bracket, so I'm going to multiply out that bracket. So if I multiply out that bracket, remember what we're doing is we're multiplying that and that. So I have 12 plus 3 times 2y is 6y plus 4y is equal to 2. Next thing I need to do, collect everything together, so I have 10y plus 12 is equal to 2. And then next thing I need to do is get everything across. So 10y, get that across, is equal to 2 take away 12, or 2 minus 12, and that's minus 10, and therefore y is equal to negative 1. Okay, I now have y is equal to negative 1, but I still need to find my x. So what I need to do here is I need to use one of the formula, or one of the equations I should say, that we have available. And if you have a look here, what you can see is this here says x is equal to 4 plus 2y. Well, we know what y is, so we can stick it straight into that formula here, or this equation I should say, and we will have the answer. So let's sort that out now. So x is equal to 4 plus 2 by y, which is minus 1. So x is equal to 4 minus 2, and x is equal to 2. So therefore I now have both my answers. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1.